Oh my gosh, it's here. Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon, I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who lives with a chronic illness, and a Stitcher is somebody who does art with textiles. My channel is all about creativity, whether that be animation, Broadway, baking, cooking, fiber arts of all kinds, sketching, painting, sculpting, beading, anything that's creative, anything that has to do with the arts, I'm all about on this channel. If you're all about that too, then stay tuned. Today is very exciting. I have been waiting for this box. I bought this box because of you guys. Well, specifically my Facebook group. I asked you if I should get this box, and you guys unanimously said yes. So, I got it. This is the Crochet Society Halloween Advent Box. Now, if you do not want to be spoiled about what's in this box, then come back after you get your own box and unbox it with me. But I'm going to show you everything that's in this box. Now, I won't show you the patterns or anything. I'm pretty sure they're not in here. I think they're going to release them like an advent calendar, so one each day for 13 days, I think. So I'm pretty sure the patterns are not in here. But everything else, I'm going to show you. So if you don't want to see, then stop watching now and come back later. Is everybody here that wants to be here? Okay. Let's do this. Really good Velcro. Oh my stars! Oh, look how beautiful that is. Yes. Oh, if I did thumbnails with my face in it, I mean, I'm just being silly, but okay. I love this box. It's so cute with the little ghosts and the little spider webs. It is so cute. Okay, anyway. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 skeins of yarn in here. So are we supposed to use just one every day? Oh my goodness. Oh. It's Confection DK. It's Confection DK. If you're new here, Confection DK only comes from Crochet Society, and it is my favorite yarn that they make. It is the reason I buy the advent calendars. It's the reason. This is the softest, most beautiful, most wonderful. Oh. I love this yarn. I love this yarn so much. If you're not familiar with Confection DK, Confection DK is a DK or 3-weight yarn. It is 100% acrylic. We get 33 grams in each of these cute little skeins. And you're supposed to use a 4mm hook or a 3mm needle. You can iron it, you can wash it, and you can dry it. Look at the cute little label they put on it for Halloween with the little boos everywhere. Isn't that cute? Okay. We have so many colors and only 2 browns. I actually need the browns this time because it's fall and Halloween, so. Oh my gosh. Okay, when I remove all the yarn, you guys have to see what's in here. It is a mountain of fluff. Look at that. It is a huge pile of fluff. It's so soft. Oh. This is the good stuff. This is like the really nice fiber fill. Yeah. I'm gonna need a minute. Don't judge me. You would do it too. You know you would. It's so soft. Ooh, there's more goodies. Okay, should we do yarn first or the goodies? I don't know. Let's do the yarn. Okay, so I told you about the yarn. Let's go through the colors. We've got chocolate lime. Chocolate lime? Okay. Chocolate lime. Could also just be called lime. This is, I think it's limoncello. Yep, limoncello. Are these two the same? Orange slice and orange slice. Yep, these two are the same. Looks like we're gonna need a lot of orange. Licorice. Also a lot of black. This is licorice. Royal icing. Creamy coffee. Eclair. Nougat. Nougat? It's pink. It says nougat. This one's really pretty. Can you tell I like pink? Can you see the pink shelf? Buttermint. There's also a turquoise shelf. It's not hard to figure out what my favorite colors are. Pink, turquoise, purple. Parma violet. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, I don't know if I can lift them all. Okay, now the goodies. We have 2 hooks, a 4mm, and a 3mm. The 3mm has bats, stars, and moons. And it's this really pretty peach color. And these are like traditional boy hooks, boy style, tapered style. That's the head. And the 4mm, one of my favorite sizes, is like candy corn. Candy corn if it was peppermint. See? These are polymer clay wrapped handles, and I've used these, you guys. These feel really good. I might even use these hooks to make some of these projects because these feel good. Ooh, we get 2 stitch markers! In a traditional crochet society, like their subscription box that I used to get, you only get 1 stitch marker, so this is kind of special. We get a cute little peach pumpkin. That's an interesting thing to say considering they're 2 different things. And a little ghost wearing a witch hat. Oh, it's so cute. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see? So cute, right? Ooh, we also get a pin. Enamel pin badge. So for those of you who don't know, I have started collecting pins. And I don't have a lot of like Disney ones yet, but my Crochet Society boxes and my Club Crochet boxes all came with pins. Well, most of them did. And so I have a bunch of those. So let me know if you want me to see my little crochet related pin collection, because I have those. So it comes in a little envelope. And it says, Hocus Pocus, witch please. It's a little witch upside down in a cauldron. Oops. That's so cute. And then we have a bunch of safety eyes. These look like 9mm. That's my guess, but I could be wrong. But they're big. We get about, let's see, 6 pairs of safety eyes. Oh, this is really nice. This feels great. This is not the typical kind of canvas bag I was expecting. This is very nice material. It's very soft. How cute is this? And it's double-sided. So this is like the Halloween side. Let's get spooky. But if you're not into Halloween, there's a fall side. How cute is that? And that's also what this crochet along is. So there's Halloween patterns and there's just fall patterns. So whatever side you land on, if you just like fall, if you just like Halloween, if you like both, there's all kinds of patterns in this thing. If this box is still available, I will link it down below and you can get one yourself. But I don't know how many they made. But this bag is so cute. Definitely going to be using it. Okay. And then this is my card. And on the other side is my password to get into all of my tutorial videos. And the patterns. So, I'm not going to show you the password, but you gotta see the cute little ghosts and the little pumpkin. How cute is that? I love it. So that's what was inside the box. And then we get a bunch of patterns. So at least 13 that I know of. So they've already released what some of the patterns are gonna be. There's some animals. There's a big wreath that you can make with a bunch of cute little appliques. There's a coaster set that I really want to make. It's a bunch of leaves in this beautiful little basket. That's what I want to make. I think it would make a beautiful little like hostess gift or something. Say you're invited to somebody's house for Thanksgiving or something. I think it would make a really pretty hostess gift. So I would like to make some for a friend of mine. I would like to make some for our table. And I might make some for other people as well, because I don't think it'll take me that long. The pattern didn't look complicated. Of course, I haven't seen the actual instructions. I just saw the picture, but yeah. So if Crochet Society says I can, because they're very big about releasing photos and boxes early, I will show you the pictures that they showed us before we bought our boxes at the very end of this video. If you don't see them, I wasn't allowed to show them. But I'm excited! So, unlike a lot of these boxes that I get, I plan on making some of the items that are actually, the patterns that are actually in there. I really want to make the coasters. That's the biggest one that was the biggest draw for me, besides the fact that it was confection DK yarn. Let's face it, that was a huge draw. I was like, oh, they're using that yarn again. Okay. I didn't think the price was that bad. I don't remember exactly what it was. I want to say it was $50. But you get a lot of patterns. It came from the UK. Yarn you can't get anywhere else. Plus a bunch of fun little goodies. So, you know. So I think it was worth it. Would you guys like to see when I make something from the box? Let me know. So that was the box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm super curious. It was your idea for me to get this box, so what did you think? If you haven't joined the Facebook group, I highly recommend it. If I get 200 members to my Facebook group, I will release a free pattern in there. And it's only for the Facebook group, so you might want to join. I get free patterns there once in a while. They vote on stuff like this. And they get to see sneak peeks that other people don't get to see. The Decade Divas is happening very, very soon, and I might release a sneak peek or two over there, so you guys might want to join. Free patterns, sneak peeks, plus there's a great group chat going on. I really enjoy the group chat, so keep that up, guys. It's really fun over there, so you might want to join. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!